second flight. Now, we told you about the cryogenic arms, and after the cryogenic arms retract, we have an ignition sequence. You'll hear the DDO call out ignition, which in French is allumage, and then what happens?
Well, we have three steps, actually. The first is the light up of the Vulcan engine, the core stage engine. The second step is check of the different parameters, and the first step is ignition of the two solid rocket boosters 7 seconds later, if everything is okay.
So watch for that. The DDO will call out the ignition and count to 7. You'll see the boosters light up, and we're on our way. We'll let the DDO and you watch the liftoff, and we'll be back.
À tous de DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage. Décollage. Trajectoire normale. La trajectoire est normale. Les paramètres sont normaux.
The DDO said everything is normal on board. You saw Ariane come roaring off the pad after counting to 7. Did you count to 7 and see the boosters light up, as we mentioned? Much less cloud cover than we feared. You can see the 3 engines burning now as Ariane makes her way into space with her payload Star 1 and Venus at 780 tons. That's 780 tons at liftoff, which she's going to rapidly begin to shed because most of it is fuel. And we'll be giving you a little profile as she drops the weight as she goes. We're in the first of 4 flight phases. The first 3 are powered, and we will be describing each one in turn. This flight phase here, the core, the core stage, and the 2 boosters burning.
Well, actually, the boosters provide 90% of the thrust to raise this 780 tons mass of Ariane 5. And on the left side of the screen, you can see the curve.
On the upper left is
the upper left, right. The curve is the predicted trajectory profile that we calculate in advance. And the moving dot is, in fact, the current position of Ariane 5.
So the cursor, the moving dot, is moving up the path of the actual real-time trajectory.
Right.
And it should be superimposed. It should be superimposed on the virtual one.
Yes.
As long as we have one line, we're fine, in other words.
Yes.
All right, on the bottom left?
On the bottom left are the numbers. You can see the A indicates the altitude of Ariane 5, so it's climbing. The altitude is increased.
Keep your eye on the white dot because we should have separation of the boosters. You'll be able to see them ejected from. There they are. You can see that very clearly. The 2 puffs of light on either side, and Ariane, the smaller dot in the middle, continuing on her journey.
Right. And about